Do you wanna add crypto wallet on your freelancing profile? So USDC crypto wallet, adding USDC crypto wallet in your freelancing profile. So let me show you guys. So let's go to a screen. So let me show you guys. So guys, so right now I'm on a screen right now. So as you can see, this is my Contra portfolio. So as you already know, I have created my portfolio, but there are several restrictions for this account in Pakistan. So you can see this is my portfolio account. So you just need to publish it and you need to verify or publish all your information regarding your work, regarding your portfolio, what you gonna do and how you can make value for the others. So you can see this is my intro. So let's work together. So you just need to create and publish your profile. For that you just need to add your crypto wallet or account information. So in Pakistan you can only add your crypto wallet or your USDC address. So still now, so it's December 2023, so you can't add your bank account or anything or your debit or credit card. So as you can see, bank account or credit card is blocked, so this feature is not available in Pakistan yet. So you can only add USDC account or PayPal. So as you already know, PayPal is not available yet. So adding USDC account, so you can add your USDC crypto wallet. So there are different crypto, so as you already know, so you just need to continue and you can add your crypto wallet. So that's how. So you just need to add your information, wallet address. You just need to accept this term, and these are the requirement you need to accept it. And yeah, simple, just simple. You need to. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up and share it with your friends.